Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tea and Art. Today I am bringing you another exciting video, and this is again inspired by Claire's from Claire Crafty Corner. Recently she made some inlays, ammonite inlays, and I really fell in love with that ammonite because I really love to collect ammonites, and I am a huge fan of ammonites. Well, when I was watching her making these inlays, they were amazing, and her videos came out super amazing. The creativity was on top. So when I was watching her, the thing that came to my mind was a sunflower. And then what I did, I searched the internet over and over again to find a decent mold for sunflower, but I couldn't. Some of them were extra super huge, some of them are so tiny, so I was searching for them for a few days. So this took me a few days, and when I just searched openly on the Google, I saw this amazing shop selling this beautiful sunflower molds, and these were Iron Orchid Design. I will keep link that website in my description. So this is the sunflower, and it was decent size. This is the casting of the sunflower, but they actually have a very beautiful mold where there is sunflower, different shape of sunflowers, and then leaves and a lot. So this is the casting. Soon I will share the mold with you as well, but at this moment what I'm doing here is I am using my pottery clay that I use for making jesmonite, and this is very good for imprints and many other, basically it's good for the imprints. So I thought of not using the polymer clay, and I am using this clay. So I just simply rolled it out, and with a lot of effort I made the impression of this sunflower. It took some time, but I did. So here I am removing it, and I got some really decent impressions because I knew that I will get in this clay. So this is the impression I got. I already mixed my silicone. It's a 1-to-1 mixed silicone. I use this same product over and over again. I will link it in description. It's always my favorite silicone, and I get amazing results from it. So I am slowly pouring it onto the clay, and with my dotting tool I will be spreading it into the petals because I don't want it to be get overflowed. So I am really making it really very carefully. Taking my time to make it as neat as possible. Filling up some extra bits here and there. And I have this ammonite that I bought some days ago, and what I'm doing here is I will be pouring directly the silicone onto this ammonite. So after pouring my silicone, it do cures into 4 to 6 hours, but I do give it a day. So see you next day. Hello everybody, it's next day, and let's remove the silicone. And slowly from one side with my dotting tool I will be removing this inlay. And here we go, such a beautiful inlay I got. Super happy about it. I get some overflown silicone, but it's not an issue. I will cut it with a scissor. And let's see how our ammonite inlay came out. And this is how it came out. I really wanted it to be a thin size, so it's good, all good. And this is how the sunflower inlay looks like after it's been cut. So for a lot of Iron Orchid Designs have so many amazing molds if you like to have a peek. So I hope this was a really quick video on making inlay, and if you did, please do like, subscribe and share, and give me a thumbs up. Take care.